Welcome to Himalaya Siddha Kriya Yoga. Yes, very nice. Meditation. Doing meditation. We must do meditation. Meditation is one way living life. Meditation means living life, real life. Once you cross your mind, that means no thinking, body, no action. When you are developing deep awareness, focus on this moment. Focus on this moment. Yes. You start living. Yes, life. When we start living ourselves, our truth, our divinity, a lot of change, transformation. All will happen naturally. Here you need not take anything, do anything, think anything or invite anything. It will come on its own way. It will come on its own way. That is the beauty of meditation. People are not knowing that. When you live in awareness, beautiful. Unknown things we can experience. Yes, unknown things. Yes. Meditation, how much time to be done? People will ask, how much time needed for doing meditation? How much means any amount, any much. Whatever you can, how much time you can give, you give it to first. It is, you make it priority. Number one in your list will be there. Today I have to do this, that, this. You make it priority. It is number one place. I must do meditation. Night before sleeping, you decide. Tomorrow, there I have to go meet that person. Like that you program, you will prepare some program list. First you give. First number one, meditation tomorrow. I must do. When I can do, that you decide. But out of 24 hours life, there must be one item, main item, first item will be meditation. Yes. Don't postpone. We are habituated to postpone many things. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow. No. This, if you give priority to meditation, your life will be. Inside life you will live through meditation in meditation, but outside life, karmic life, worldly life, family life, social life, all these things will be very, very, very perfect. You will enjoy it. You will enjoy everything, I am telling. Yes. Make it a point. Make it a point. How much time is generally better to keep? 41 days, 60 days, 90 days. You make a point. Don't keep in open. You fix this at this time, morning or night or sometime you decide. Particularly you continue follow, maximum follow 90%. If any unavoidable situation comes, you leave it. But continuously you follow. At that time, one time you fix in one good Sukhasana, you sit in comfortable posture. Yes. Start living, doing. Yes. Never postpone. Give priority to meditation. Om सिद्धक्रिया बाबाजी नमः ओम सिद्धक्रिया बाबाजी नमः What is success? What is success in meditation? People will expect what I can get, what I will achieve. Some people ask, if I do meditation, can I get a good job? If I do meditation, can I get more money? Some people may not be having children. Can I get children? Meditation never give anything. Your karma will give. Your karma will give. If in karma anything is not there means okay. But through meditation, what happens? Beautiful things will happen. Ultimate things will happen. May not happen. Happening is here, connected with bliss, Chidananda, divinity. Connecting with God, existence, knowing the truth of universe. But if you have some desires, some expectations, you can have, but through meditation don't expect. But when you are living in meditation, when you do perfectly without expectation, start happening. Universe will start blessing you. Universe start blessing you. First, remove expectation. You need not expect. When you are connecting with God, God cannot give anything. When you impress God with your meditation, surrenderance, zero status, I am zero, I am at your lotus feet, I am remembering you, I want to surrender myself to you. You say, you develop that connectivity, so naturally He will bless you. You leave that blessing, giving or anything to Him. You don't fix. Nishkama karma, Nishkama sadhana. First, remove the desires. Remove the desires. Then you can naturally, something will happen, miraculous. That miracles we cannot expect, we cannot think. Anything, everything can happen. Not only children, job or money. Ultimate things will happen. Ultimate things. Be ready. So make a point. You must do meditation. You follow one living Guru. Living Guru is highly required in these situations, this type of situations, because he will create confidence on you. He will give you right guidance as per your situation, your life style. He will encourage you. He will protect you through understanding from the evil things. Yes, He will protect you. He will guide you. I am there, don't worry. So I told, why fear when I am here? Like that. Sadguru means manifestation of God. Yes. He is nothing. God is working through Sadgurus. That's why you must have one Sadguru, living Guru. You go and approach, you try to, first of all you ask, please give me meditation. If any Sadguru, if you have Sadguru, give me meditation. Please give me spirituality. Let me become spiritual. That you ask first. That is the main purpose of living Guru Sadguru. That is the main purpose. We have not. If anybody says come and meditate, they will go. They want something self-centered benefits, selfishness to fulfill their inner desires. Many people are trying to join Guru, go to Guru, but that's why many people cannot stand with right Guru, many people cannot stand. They will go. They will go. Because no worldly purpose. Worldly purpose, you work and get. You develop purity, you develop dynamism. You can get the things, some things. If you don't do also, karma will bring you. So that is how, my dear Vedabans, meditation, make your life meditation must be your life. Okay? Thank you.